Imagine earning $270 for one image, $300 for this image, $350 for this image, and another $400 for this one. How cool is that? You can do this unlimited times, and the best part, you don't even need a camera. You don't need to take any pictures at all. And I will give you a free tool where you can get this all done within 10 minutes. I haven't revealed this website before, and people from different countries are making hundreds of thousands of dollars with this website. But before I continue revealing this amazing money-making method, make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know, and you can start making things happen. Now let's start with the revealing. This is the website where you can get the work done in less than 10 minutes. This is not a money-making website, but rather it is a platform where you can get those images done in less than 10 minutes. The second website is for making the money. Many people have been making hundreds and thousands of dollars with this website. This website has been paying people a lot of money for those images, and I'm going to show you how to create those images. So first of all, let's start with how you can get those images done for free. And all you need to do is visit Adobe Spark. Just type in its URL, spark.adobe.com. This is a free online tool with hundreds of thousands of different templates, which will allow you to just drop and create professional-looking designs. So you can simply come over to Adobe Spark and get any design you like. But what can you create with Adobe Spark? Well, you can create social media graphics. You can pick up a photo and apply design filters or animations to instantly stand out from the crowd and create high-quality designs. And that's exactly what we'll be focusing on. They also have different features like creating web pages and short videos, but this isn't what we will be focusing on. We're only focusing on images that we can create in minutes, to share instantly and then get paid with the website that I'm about to share with you in a minute. And even if you don't have a laptop or computer, you can do this with your phone, because this app is available for both Android and iOS. So even if you're laying on your bed and holding your phone, you can still do this. To get started, come over to Adobe Spark and click on Get Started Now. Create a free account and you can either sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple, Gmail, or Adobe ID. Once you figure out what account you want to sign up with, log in and it will immediately redirect you to your brand new account. Once you create a brand new Adobe Spark account, you will be able to browse all of the different templates from this website. You can have all the different graphic designs which you can create, which are pretty much 99% done for you, and you just need to change the text, and that way it becomes your unique design from which you can make hundreds of dollars with the website, which I will share with you in a second. You can create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, print presentations, slideshows, branded images, and even custom-sized graphics. All of these different templates are available. You can create flyers, ebook covers, book covers, and more. Let's assume that I want to use the flyer design template. I will just click on that to show you how easy it is. I'll then wait for them to load my design, to load my template, so I can fully customize it. I can change everything, and all you have to do is double-click on the text, type in whatever you want to. Let's say, for example, I type in Rachel's Money Guide. Click Done, and it will change this image. Now on the right-hand side, you can also customize colors. You can change the font, the size. You can customize everything. You can add different shapes, shadows, and different animations. And here on the left-hand side, you can select different templates in case you don't like this one. So maybe I would rather prefer this one. I click on Create from this template and wait until it loads, and I can customize this one. So it's really easy and simple to use. You just need to change the text and save it to your computer. Let's say I want to type Rachel's Money Guide. I will click Done. Now it's going to look something like this. Maybe I want to change the background image too. I can do that as well. I can click on Replace or Remove Background or add different filters to my background. It's really simple and easy to use, and you can create all sorts of different designs from those templates. Once you're done designing, you can either click the download button right here, and that's instantly going to download this image to your computer. It's going to download the high quality version of this image. You can either do it like that, or if you want to remove the watermark, you can open up, for example, a snipping tool or any other screenshot software that you have on your computer, and just screenshot this image, take a snap, and just exclude the watermark that's at the bottom, and you're ready to go. So that's how simple and easy it is to get those designs done with Adobe Spark. It takes less than 10 minutes because those templates are 99% done for you. Now let me show you the website that will pay you hundreds of dollars for those designs that you create with Adobe Spark. If you guys are gaining something, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. The website is called designcrowd.com, where you will get paid for all those different designs like logo, business cards, web designs, flyer design, graphic designs, which you can all create with Adobe Spark in less than 10 minutes. And let me show you this. If I go to this designers category and let's say, for example, I select graphic designers, you will be able to see people from all over the world making money. If we, for example, select logo designers, you'll be able to see that people are also making even more money. There's a lot of money to be made with designcrowd.com. It's a really good website that pays a decent amount of money for those designs, which you can get done in less than 10 minutes. So if we go over to the jobs section right here, you can see that you can create all of those designs and get paid for doing that. You can create anything from business cards down to flyers, posters, postcards, web designs, Facebook designs, YouTube designs, Twitter designs. Everything that we saw on the previous website can be done in less than 10 minutes of work with Adobe Spark. So let's say, for example, you want to focus on flyer designs. You can click on that and you'll be able to see different available jobs. You can submit your design and get paid. You can get paid for one single image. I can get paid for just this project alone, and there will be new jobs coming in all the time, so you will never run out of jobs. Of course, 2 jobs are not much, but that's only under the flyer design section. You have different sections which you can select. You can maybe go on to banner ad designs, app designs, icons, Facebook designs, and YouTube designs. Now to get started with designcrowd.com, all you have to do is to come over to this website, click join for free, this button is right here. Enter your email address, create a password and click on let's go. Once you sign up, you'll go into your brand new account. You can start browsing all of these different jobs, and once you find a suitable one, just click on it, submit your design and wait to see if you've made money. And since you guys are often asking me how you can cash out money from this website, I'm going to explain everything to you. Once you start making money, just go over to your profile right here, just click profile settings, and then on the left side, you can select payouts right here. Then you'll select your payout method and you can enter your payment details, and that's how you can withdraw your earnings. Are you interested in learning how you can make $2,000 per hour online easy? Click here!